Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to monitor subscriptions and recurring payments. Now, Cleo can detect recurring changes and help you to stay aware of subscriptions that may be, quietly draining your account. So here's how to track your subscriptions. Now, first thing you want to do is in the Insights or Spending tab, you want to scroll to recurring payments or subscriptions. Now, you're going to see a list of active subscriptions, recurring bills, and frequency and average costs. Now just tap on each one to view. You can view the last charge date, upcoming billing cycle, or the monthly impact on your budget. Chat shortcuts that you can make use of are, first you have what subscriptions am I paying for, or you could use show me recurring payments, or you could also use cancel unused subscription. Now note to this one, Clear won't cancel, but can recommend ones to drop. Now, pro tip, Clear Premium users may receive proactive alerts when new subscriptions start. So you got to take note of that. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.